Hey everyone, welcome back to Ozark Drone Adventures. Today we're taking a trip back in time to a truly beautiful and historic spot in Missouri, where history and natural beauty intertwine right here in the heart of the Ozarks, the Bollinger Mill and the Burfordville Covered Bridge. Get ready for some fascinating history, cool facts, and some awesome aerial views. Alright, we've arrived, and just look at this place. This magnificent 4-story stone grist mill stands proudly on the Whitewater River. The original mill was actually built by George Frederick Bollinger, a Swiss-German immigrant, way back in 1800. He started with a log mill, but then in 1825, like any good entrepreneur, he upgraded. The mill and dam were rebuilt in limestone, and that foundation and dam are still visible today. Bollinger himself became well known, entered politics, and served as a senator in Missouri's first General Assembly. But history wasn't always kind. During the Civil War, Union forces burned down the mill to prevent its supplies from reaching Confederate hands. Only the stone walls remained. After the war, a man named Solomon R. Burford rebuilt the mill in 1867. He used the original foundation, creating the beautiful 4-story brick structure that stands today. Burford's initials are still visible on the wall inside the front door. The mill operated almost continuously for over 150 years, finally ceasing commercial operation in 1950. Stepping inside the mill is like walking directly into the 19th century. As you explore the different levels, you'll witness the incredible ingenuity of historic milling technology. It's a complex, multi-story operation, all interconnected by chutes and conveyors, powered by the mighty river outside. You know, if these walls could talk, I bet you they'd have some amazing stories. The museum really helps you visualize how the mill harnessed the Whitewater River's energy. While early mills used large water wheels, the Bollinger Mill was eventually updated to use a more efficient water-driven turbine, an impressive feat of engineering that kept these gears turning for decades. This mill wasn't just a place to grind grain, it was a vital hub for the community. Farmers from all around would bring their corn and their wheat here. Imagine the social scene, probably a lot of talk about crop yields and whether or not farmer Jedediah was ever going to fix that fence. So I couldn't go to the upper floors because it was too hot. She said that the fourth floor, which is the top floor, was already at 110 degrees at 10 o'clock in the morning. So maybe I'll come back out in the fall with my family and we can go inside and go upstairs. Just a stone's throw away, we find another incredible landmark. Spanning 140 feet across the Whitewater River is the Burfordville Covered Bridge. This isn't just any bridge, it's the oldest remaining covered bridge in all of Missouri, one of only 4 left in the entire state. Construction on this beauty started in 1858, but like the mill, the Civil War put things on hold. It was finally completed in 1868. You'll notice its distinctive Howe truss design, a clever engineering feat using diagonal wood and vertical iron rods to make it incredibly strong. So we're at the Burfordville Covered Bridge and the Bollinger Mill, state historical sites here in Missouri. It's not far from the Trail of Tears State Park. There's some history on the bridge here. It's a beautiful area. They got nice little picnic tables. You can come out here with your family, have a picnic. For years, this was actually a toll bridge, collecting fees until farmers famously broke down the gates in 1906. Today, it's open to pedestrian traffic only, allowing us to step back in time and truly appreciate its history. And why the cover, you ask? Well, it wasn't just for its looks or to provide shelter for travelers. The main reason was to protect the bridge's vital wooden structure from the harsh elements, drastically extending its lifespan. Built primarily from local yellow poplar, this bridge truly stands as a symbol of early American ingenuity. So there you go, the Bollinger Mill and the Burfordville Covered Bridge. They're more than just old structures, they're windows into our past, beautifully preserved thanks to the designation as Missouri State Historic Sites. It's truly incredible to see them from this unique aerial perspective. If you're ever in Southeast Missouri, I highly recommend making a stop here. It's beautiful, educational, and fun. And if you've enjoyed this adventure, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more explorations, and let me know in the comments if there's any other historical sites around the Ozarks you would like us to fly over. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.